In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest in Palantir or how you can buy those stocks. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So you will need to have an investing platform. In my case, I'm using Trading 212, but basically all of them have a similar interface and the process should be very similar. So all you need to do is deposit on your wallet. In my case, I have only 4 euros on my main pot. So I should deposit by clicking right here, and I could deposit as much as you want by using my credit card or by doing a bank transfer. So once you have your money on your wallet, all you need to do is search for Palantir right here. So you should see this stock right here. We can see the performance. So as you can see, this is the performance on last year. This is a crazy increase on the price. So to buy those stocks, all you need to do is click here, then just put in how much you want to spend on those shares. So you can just buy as much as you want and review the order. So in my case, I'm not going to do it because I just want to show the process. And once you have that stock, you should see it on your investments. So those are all the stocks I have right now. And you should see Palantir right here after buying it. So whenever you want to sell it, just click this stock. In my case, I'm going to do the test with Microsoft and just click on sell, and then the same process. You can sell as much as you want, review the order and send the sell order. So after that, you will again have the money on your wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account by clicking right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.